In the last few decades, technology has progressed at a staggering rate. Smartphones, the internet, cloud computing, and hundreds of other inventions are changing every facet of our lives. Communication, business, government, travel, fundraising, and even agriculture have been affected. But how about our brains? The earliest technology developed by humans was stone tools. By chipping away at rocks to make shapes, humans were able to create the earliest axes, hammers, knives, and arrowheads. This marks the beginning of the Stone Age. The first societies entered the Stone Age approximately 3.3 million years ago. The mechanical structure of a robot is a critical aspect of its design, as it determines the robot's range of motion, stability, and overall performance. The structure is typically composed of a series of interconnected links and joints, which form the robot's kinematic chain. This chain allows the robot to move and manipulate objects in its environment. There are two primary kinds of robot structures, serial and parallel. Electric motors are the most common type of actuator used in robotics, due to their high efficiency, precision, and ease of control. Robotic pets are artificially intelligent machines that are made to resemble actual pets. While the first robotic pets produced in the late 1990s were not too advanced, they have since grown technologically. Many now use machine learning, making them much more realistic. Robotic pets may be equipped with advanced sensors and cameras to navigate complex environments, collect critical data, or perform specific tasks. In addition, robot dogs are used in research and development. This helps scientists better understand animal behavior and develop new technologies for a variety of applications. Overall, the robot dog is an incredibly versatile machine that can be used in a wide variety of settings and applications. Prison's robot simulates the experience and some capabilities of being physically present at a location. It combines remote monitoring and control via telemetry sent over radio, wires or optical fibers, and enables remote business consultations, healthcare, home monitoring, childcare, and more. The Internet of Things, or IoT for its acronym in English, Internet of Things, is a term that refers to the connection of objects to each other and to humans through the Internet. The applications of IoT technologies are multiple, because it is adjustable to almost any technology that is capable of providing relevant information about its own operation, about the performance of an activity, and even about the environmental conditions that we need to monitor and control at a distance. An agricultural robot is a robot deployed for agricultural purposes. The main area of application of robots in agriculture today is at the harvesting stage. Emerging applications of robots or drones in agriculture include weed control, cloud seeding, planting seeds, harvesting, environmental monitoring, and soil analysis. According to verified market research, the agricultural robots market is expected to reach $11.58 billion by 2025. Fruit-picking robots, driverless tractor sprayers, and sheep shearing robots are designed to replace human labor. In most cases, a lot of factors have to be considered, example, the size and color of the fruit to be picked before the commencement of a task. Robots can be used for other horticultural tasks such as pruning, weeding, spraying, and monitoring. Packing fruit and vegetables for distribution to retail is often carried out by the use of a conveyor belt and robotic arms to pack the produce according to type. They can be programmed to identify good from bad produce, so only the best ends up in the supermarket. The future of robotics might be conducting operations from halfway across the world and visiting extraterrestrial worlds in 2030. The future of travel, employment, and adventure is being shaped by robotics, one of the disciplines of technology developing the fastest. Things are getting even better thanks to ancillary developments in AI, computing, and IoT. Several innovative robotics technologies will play a significant part in daily living. By 2030, there may be 20 million robots in operation worldwide, replacing up to 51 million human jobs, according to forecasts. We anticipate seeing more robots in our daily lives. Recent breakthroughs have led to the deployment of robots by military forces worldwide in UAV, unmanned aerial vehicle, UGV, unmanned ground vehicle, triage, and surveillance applications. The robot can perform a greater variety of duties on the battlefield. Researchers working on autonomous vehicles are creating AI models that can react precisely and reliably to roadblocks, particularly people. Robot-powered automobiles could be on the road in major cities worldwide by 2030 is the future of robotics technology. The robotics industry is segmented by type: industrial, service, end user, end users of industrial robots, automotive, food and beverage, electronics, other end users of industrial robots, end users of service robots, logistics, military and defense, medical and healthcare, other end users of service robots, and geography, North America, Europe, Asia Pacific, Latin America, Middle East, and Africa. The market sizes and forecasts are provided in terms of value, USD. The robotics market size is estimated at $45.85 billion in 2024 and is expected to reach $95.93 billion by 2029. Ambitious goals have been set for future humanoid robotics. They are expected to serve as companions and assistants for humans in daily life and as ultimate helpers in man-made and natural disasters. In 2050, a team of humanoid robots soccer players shall win against the winner of most recent World Cup. DARPA announced recently the next grand challenge in robotics, building robots which do things like humans in a world made for humans. The future of robotics, underpinned by advancements in artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML, holds promising prospects for humanity. This progress is anticipated to be collaborative and inclusive, fostering a synergy between humans and robots. Experts predict that robots will become more ubiquitous, permeating various industries and facets of our lives. From precision farming to driving with autonomous vehicles, robotics will revolutionize how we operate our per-day every life-living process in limited time management with the help of machines learning. In 2050, mostly human body depends on robotics and AI technology, but only challenging is that how disseminate the technology in different area. And also how it will manage the cost of robotics technology. Both are interdependent for nation technological development.